Hello everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and if you're a regular here, you've probably already noticed that we are in a new room at a new time, and that is because I am back at school, and I go to High Point University where I am actually a senior, which is so sad to me because I absolutely love it here and I never want it to end. But I'm so excited for the year and memories to come, and I can't wait to share them all with you. So without further ado, let's get right into this dorm room tour at the beautiful High Point University. So at High Point University, we are so lucky that our campus offers dorming for all 4 years, and majority of students actually do live on campus, which really gives such an amazing experience and allows you to meet so many people just because it is such a tight-knit school and it's smaller, so having everyone around is so amazing all the time. At our school, they keep the dorms so nice and let us do so many things to them. Like, obviously this is a huge mirror that you can see just like even right here, and they let us like nail the walls and put anything up we want. So I know a lot of people have to use command strips to hang stuff, and we're lucky enough that our school lets us do this and fills in the holes and repaints the walls every single year. So this is actually also my room last year, and it looked completely different from the way it does now, and I'm so excited with the way it turned out. And I feel like the way I have it now, I'm going to be so much more productive and organized and just have a better year because of the way I am set up. So as you can see, I have both of the bags that I usually use on this wall, and I've also used this little magnetic dry erase board to post my videos that I wanted to do for the upcoming week. And I also hung out my new posting schedule, so I wouldn't forget to tell you guys about that, because if you don't follow me on Instagram, you might not know that yet. But I also post things like that in my community tab, so you can always keep up with me there. But now, since I am back at school and have classes and I've been a little bit more busy, and will probably want to share with you some of my weekend things that I just want to be able to get up by 11 a.m. I will be posting now Sundays at 4 p.m. and Wednesdays at 6 p.m. and that is Eastern Standard Time. So if you are on a different time, just to be aware of that. But I just love having this space to like jot things down or like hang up little cute schedules and stuff that I make. So just a great addition to the room. Next, I have this beautiful mirror that actually doubles as jewelry storage, which is so amazing for me because I'm sure there are so many girls that also struggle with this. So it is like the perfect thing, and it is a great use of space in my room and keeps me very organized. So I love having this. So under this mirror, I have this beautiful candle tray that has this little remote to turn on and off, which I think is so cute. And I keep all my workout stuff in this bin since our gyms are still not open, and my new vacuum, which I love because it's cordless and that makes life so much easier. And I definitely have been keeping my room a lot cleaner because I have that. So continuing around, I have this Pottery Barn shelf that I've had since my freshman year, and it is so great for my storage because I can keep like undergarments and socks and different things in these baskets, and I can still have my TV box and Alexa, which I love, and now she's gonna talk to me. Sorry, stop Alexa. And this frame that my boyfriend got me that changes pictures, which is one of my absolute favorite gifts ever. These cute little plants, a jewelry holder for when I just like take off my everyday jewelry, and it actually fits my printer like perfectly. So it is just so perfect for that because I hate having things like that just like laying around. So like I said, our school is amazing and lets us put humongous holes in the wall. So I have mounted my TV, which is amazing because I honestly don't know where else I would have put it. And this process, if you did not see my move-in vlog, was actually a combination of my dad and boyfriend, which was hilarious to watch happen. But I think it was good because my boyfriend definitely got some new handyman skills while learning to do that. But I really don't know where else I would have put it, so it's so amazing that I could do that and have like this little sitting stool so when my friends come over they can hang and chat with me. So to be completely honest, before I really got into like my YouTube channel and watching other YouTubers, I never really knew how much time and effort people put into their desks. So I am trying to do the same, so I will also use it and sit at it. So this is my desk that the university actually gives us, which is so nice because it is such a nice piece of furniture. And I can wire my cords through the back of there, which is awesome, so I don't have my laptop charger to worry about. I do want to get a phone stand so I can get rid of this cord, but we will get to that. My wax candle melter thing, I don't know what you call it. So I love to have that in here. My school supplies, you know, just like paper clips, tacks, and different things in this that I can just like pull out and push back in. And then I have these candles that are like the others that I can turn on and off. This thing honestly just has some very random papers in it and like some books that I like got for like by choice. And I love this picture above it. And this actually also turns on, which is super cute and has a quote on it that's really big to my sorority and my friends personally. And also on this little side thing that I actually brought myself, I have, this is pretty much a junk drawer. I just kind of throw whatever extra things in here, to be completely honest. My Dancing with the Stars picture I got from going VIP to that, which was amazing, and I love Dancing with the Stars. If you didn't know, in this cute shadow box that my boyfriend got me when we first started dating. So yeah, I feel like I've got a really cute setup going on here. I'm still working on it. Like I said, I've never been one to really like do my desk all out and like make it cute and artsy and like make me want to use it. So that is like the goal for this year. So hopefully the more effort I put into making my desk, the more I will use it. Also out my window, I have the most beautiful view of my campus. I can see the pool and the other group of Centennials, and I do have one in my own little group over here. They just put up those flag poles around our amphitheater, which are brand new. In the amphitheater is somewhere we go to take a lot of formal pictures. And in that building right there, which is something I'm so lucky to be so close to, we have our Starbucks and a lot of our student success offices. So that's a great thing to be close to. But yeah, just a beautiful view out my window of the campus that I'm so grateful to have. Moving on to my favorite part of the room. So you've obviously already kind of seen this, but I was so worried about how it would come out because it was very different than what I normally do. I've always had white bedding, so I was super excited to try something different. But my bedding is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Macy's also carried it, but it's Eva Longoria, and I think I said that right, and I love cheetah, and this was like subtle gold and just so perfect, and I'm obsessed with it. And I'm just so happy about how it looks with the greenery wall. And I told you guys about this little lap desk, and that's like my favorite thing to use. My iPad's actually on there right now, but I am so obsessed with how this came out. And it is my favorite part of the room, including this beautiful palm tree that my boyfriend's family got me. And I always wanted a live palm tree and never had one because it didn't really like fit my vibe, but now it does. So this view right here is honestly what I am most obsessed with in my entire room. Because also, if you've seen my TikTok, I showed the process of like making this beautiful collage, and I think it came out so cute and just really ties all of what's going on together in this room. So next to my bed I have these shelves of inspiration, I'm calling them, because honestly it is like what keeps me going. And obviously the subscribe reminds me of all of you and how amazing you have been to me and all the support that you've given me. So thank you again for that. And create something every day is just another thing that reminds me of YouTube and to try new things and to never be afraid to do so. So I love that. And those are actually my best friends and were my housemates last year, and I'm so sad that I didn't get to finish their senior year with them. But just a closer up view of those because I'm obsessed with them. Also over here I have my lamp that has made it since freshman year with me, which is again amazing, from Pottery Barn. This cute little leaf I got from Hobby Lobby, and a picture of me and my dog. If you haven't seen our Sweet 16 vlog, you should totally check it out because it's so cute. And a picture of me and my boyfriend. Just some more things to tie the room together. Over here on this wall I have this sticker that says always on vacation that I wrote because that is something that I really like to live by, because I feel like on vacation you're always like living your best life and thriving and making the most of every moment, and I like to feel like that every single day of my life, which is kind of where I came up with the theme of my room, because I just like to feel very tropical and like I'm somewhere special, honestly. So I just really love that. It is something that is important to me. So I wanted to put that there above my key hook, which is like my passport cards, like I've told you before, and my car keys. So I have those there. So following along, I have this full-length mirror over here, which I love and really goes with the vibe of my room. And I love to be able to see my entire outfit. So just something that is definitely important to have at school, and I have a perfect spot for. You can see, like, again, all of my favorite things in the background when I'm over here. So it worked out so perfectly, and it's right next to my closet, which I am trying to keep organized and have like the colors fade across, and I'm like really trying to keep it looking nice, so we will see honestly how long that lasts. And last but not least, since I do live on the top floor of my house, I have my own bathroom, which is amazing. And it is so big, honestly. So I've got like all this counter space and under here, which I'm trying to make that cleaner, sorry guys, and drawers and cute little cups to keep like cotton balls, Q-tips, hair ties, and my high home speaker, which I love, and this big huge mirror. And I've also put in this over-the-shelf rack, which if you saw my back to school shopping vlog, I talked about that, but it was here so I couldn't show you mine personally. I also have a huge shower, which I am so thankful for. And my mom wrote me these cute little sticky notes before she left. And of course my shower speaker so I can jam or talk on the phone. I just have my towels hanging in this other amazing piece that I have with my hamper actually in it, so it like is not in the way of anything. So I love that it just like comes out like that, and I can take the bag out to carry it downstairs and do my laundry. So all in all, just like the perfect little bathroom. My mats are all cute and sparkly. The moment you have all been waiting for. The winner of my giveaway is Sarah Gibbs. Congrats to you, and thank you all for participating. So that is all for my dorm tour at the beautiful High Point University. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to show you the rest of my house because I do live with 7 girls, and our living room is coming together so beautifully. And as soon as it's done, I will be letting you meet all of my friends and see our house. So I can't wait to do that, and I hope you subscribe so you do not miss that. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.